I'm going to explain to you the directions for this Big Bang Theory timeline. So you're going to have to create a timeline of the evolution of the universe from the Big Bang until now. So first, go get your Big Bang timeline blank worksheet, which is on the resource table. You do need your notes, your content page, and the notes that you took from it. So first, you're going to use your notes and the digital resources to do the following. Well, first, before you even use your notes, look at the blank diagram and get an idea of how it's organized. So we can see that on this end over here, this says BYA, ABB, present. If you look at the bottom here, BYA is billion years ago. So this box here represents 13.8 billion years ago. So look at your notes, the content page, and think about what happened in after the Big Bang Theory that long ago, right? This is 13.7 billion years ago, 12 billion years ago, 11 billion years ago, 4.6 billion years ago. The present, ABB means after the Big Bang. So this is 10 to the negative 43rd seconds after the Big Bang, right? So this bottom timeline is showing you how long ago it was. This top timeline is showing you how long it was since the singularity, since the Big Bang happened, okay? So you looked at it, you understand what that means. What I want you to do now is determine the order of the events that occurred. I'll give you the titles. They're right here. These are the titles of the events, and I want you to pick where these titles happened. Which one happened first? I'll give you a tip. Inflation happened first. So what I would do if I was you is this box here represents the singularity. Right, that's all the way at the beginning, right before the Big Bang, right when it happened. So the Big Bang happened. We could put singularity. We could put Big Bang boom. That's when it first started to expand. Shouldn't say boom because it wasn't an explosion. And now this is the present. This is now. This is today, right? Today. So what I would do is, from looking at the notes, I know that inflation happened first out of any of these things. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go through the rest of these and figure out where on the timeline they go. First, do that. Do the titles. Once you finish the titles, right, you can use the timeline to help you figure it out. Then write down some information about what happened during that period. All right? That's what I ask you to do. And it says second here, but I'll switch this by the time you watch the video. Then, below where you wrote the title, write a short summary of what occurred during that time. That's what you're going to do in the box there. Then after that, this has to get colorful. I want you to use the space above and below each drawing to draw things that you would see at that time. So here, you could just draw inflation. Sorry. Here, you would draw whatever you think, not what I think, whatever you think inflation looks like in here. Now, the second box correlates with the second sphere here. So whatever happened here, what would you see? This space correlates with this third box. Fourth box is this space. Fifth box is this space. Somewhere in here, galaxies are going to be. So let's just say 6 was galaxies. You can draw different galaxies, right? However you think that they look. Draw the things that you would see in each time period of the evolution of our universe. If you have any questions, just ask one of us teachers.